Ableton Live versus Logic Pro. Choosing between Ableton Live and Logic Pro isn't just a platform choice. It's a choice between two completely different creative environments. One is a ultra-streamlined, non-linear performance rig and sound design playground, while the other is a all-inclusive, traditional audio studio powerhouse deeply integrated into the Apple hardware architecture. So today we are pinning them, comparing them, and helping you to decide. Okay, so Logic Pro is a Mac exclusive powerhouse that offers the absolute best dollar to feature ratio in the industry. So for flat $199 with 0 paid upgrade cycles, you unlock a massive 100 gigabyte sound library, including the legendary Alchemy synth, corporate grade Dolby Atmos spatial audio mixing tools, and AI-driven smart session players. Logic is built around a traditional linear timeline arrangement. Its recording compiling workflows, advanced MIDI scoring, and classic mixer make it the definitive choice for singer-songwriters, film composers, and traditional studio tracking engineers who want to take a project from a raw vocal microphone recording straight to a polished, radio-ready final master. Switch lanes to Ableton Live, and the environment adapts completely to real-time audio manipulation and live performance experimentation. Ableton's crown jewel is its dual interface design. While it features a standard linear timeline, its session view introduces a non-linear grid for launching audio and MIDI clips independently on the fly, making it the global standard for electronic music production, live looping, and concert playback. So Ableton's audio warping engine remains completely unmatched. You can drop any sample into your timeline and it instantly locks its transients to your master tempo without degrading your audio fidelity. Its stock audio devices wrap into a clean, uniform bottom tray layout, letting you map complex macro parameters and custom sound design racks without floating windows cluttering your workspace. So which one to choose, guys? So look into Logic Pro if you are running a Mac and want an elite linear tracking environment for traditional instruments, complex vocal comping and film scoring, and choose Ableton Live if you need a cross-platform workspace to build electronic beats, warp complex audio loops, or take audio studio productions directly onto a live performance stage. Hopefully this makes sense in terms of which one to choose, guys. If this was helpful, make sure to support our channel, like and subscribe.